So you can also increase thoracic mobility in rotation in the quadruped position. So in this way, you are using some of your rotational erector spinae and rotatory muscles to help you out with using that newly available range of motion, which helps you keep that newly available range of motion. So the way that this is done, quadruped, from here, you ask the person to just kind of put their hand on their sacrum and rotate back and see how that feels stiffness-wise. Go a little bit higher and see how that feels stiffness-wise. Go over their head and rotate. When they go over the head, make sure they're not leading with the elbow on this one, but they're almost trying to take their sternum and point it towards that direction. Once they find the area that's stiff, then they can start to work through that area just by opening up, some calm breathing, and then back down again, and repeatedly trying to increase the range of motion. You can further incriminate the thoracic spine by sitting back onto your heels, putting your forearm down, and then here is the same process. You would identify the area that the person has the most restriction at. We've gotten rid of the lumbar spine, really trying to keep them heels to butt as they do this, and then opening up.